Okay guys, we're here in Godaddy.com, and as you see, the .com regular price is $11.99. Same in .net, and the cheap is $2.99.info. Let's search a domain name. And yes, your domain is available, but the price is $11.99. To get the $1 price for this domain name, go to this website, axlmulat.com. This page, guys, 0.99.com domain name is under the web hosting and themes deal. This link, guys, are included to the video description. Just check the video description below and click this, grab this deal, and tada, as you see, you will be redirected in the different search box just for 0.99.com. Type your domain name here, and tada, as you see guys, the price is breakdown to $0.99 like this. 11.99, that's the regular price. This is the discounted price, guys. This discount price is available for the first time customer only. And now click add to cart and continue to cart. Just scroll down, privacy protection, maybe next time, no thanks for now, and continue. And now guys, as you see, the price is 11.34 because this is for 2 years. If you break down to 1 year, the final price is 1.17 because you need to additional fee for estimated tax. The domain name price is $0.99, the tax is $0.18, and the final price is $1.17. And the next step, proceed to checkout. Of course guys, you will need to sign up in godaddy.com. I suggest create an account instead of this. And go ahead guys, purchase the domain name. Don't miss the discount.